Hello students, welcome to online class. Today we are going to start an online class. So without wasting a time, let's start our study. So first we are going to start our first chapter, revising basic Java concept. Before we are going to discuss this chapter, first of all we discuss about Java. What is Java? Java is a object oriented programming language. It was developed by James Gosling and first released by Sun Microsystem in 1991. So it is just a small explanation about Java. Now, first topic is data abstraction. Data abstraction. What is data abstraction? The act of representing essential features without including its background detail. That is called data abstraction. For example, car. Another example, switchboard. First we take example of car. The student, we know how to drive car, how to use accelerator, how to use gears, how to use brake, etc. etc. But the parts which are joined or combined together inside the car, the motor, the wires, everything are connected internally, that all are hidden from us. We can say it is example of data abstraction. Another example we take is switchboard. The switch, we know, if we on the light on, if we off, the light is off. But how the switch is working, how the switch is connected through wires, how the electricity is supplying through the wires, that all the things are hidden from us. That is also an example of data abstraction. Next is encapsulation. 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 What is encapsulation? The wrapping of data and function in a single unit is called encapsulation. Wrapping of data means its characteristics, and function means its behavior. So we can say that the wrapping or combination of characteristic as well as its behavior, we can call it encapsulation. Next is about Java fundamental. Third point about Java fundamental. Java fundamental. What is Java fundamental? The students, the Java program is made up of different things such as identifier, keywords, literals, statements, etc. etc. But this topic we are going to discuss in next video. Thank you.